They're here! Enginetech 3D Vent Clip Air Fresheners. Designed to transform your daily commute and manage those less than refreshing car odors we can all live without. An incredible fragrance experience from Enginetech. Sleek design, vibrant scent. You won't want to leave the engine shop without it. Simply clip your cabin air vents and let the refreshing scent of sage wood and sea salt uplift your mood. It's our teammates' favorite scent, not to mention it looks pretty good next to your instrument panel. Smelling good is always in season. What are you waiting for? Request your Enginetech Vent Clip today.